Hello everyone, this is Joanne. Since it's Easter, I thought we would do something Eastery. So this is an egg that I've blown out. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step method that I use to create the blown out egg with a simple technique that you can do at home yourself. No special tools required. We'll just start by making a hole at one top side of the egg and a little pinhole at the bottom. The tools I'll show you, nothing fancy. And I've blown it out into the bowl here. So I have my one egg, no holes in it. This is a raw egg. I'm just using this tool that I have, which is used for nuts. But if you have a sharp tip of a knife, you can use that as well. I like to try to make this side a little bigger. And of course, afterwards, I wash mine out. And then I paint on it and decorate it. And then you can actually keep it for a keepsake. Next thing I use is a toothpick. I'm just taking the little bits of shell out of here because you need a clear passageway. I'll just take this part of the shell off. Oh, it actually fell in here. And this can be easily covered up by decoration. So you have a hole. This will be the passageway that all of this will come out of. So we're going to flip it over. I'm just going to place my finger over this hole. Back to using our tool. And we have our egg here. Now it's the fun part. So we're going to blow through the small end and it's going to come out the larger end. I think there might be somewhat of a clog because the inside, the embryo part here, the coating along the inside of the shell, I think it's blocking the hole, so I'm just going to clean that out a little bit more. It shouldn't be this difficult to actually blow out. There we go. There we go. When you have that sudden surge, there you go. Egg is empty. You have a little pinhole on this side. You flip it over. You have another hole on that side, a little bit bigger, depending on how large you decide to make it. But now you can, I put water just under a tap and rinse it out, shake it, drain the water, and then you could decorate your egg. And you can easily use decorations just to block up these holes. And then it looks like you actually didn't crack the egg at all. So there you go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting things to come. Bye for now.